Things that can take your affiliate marketing venture to the next level. With the mobile internet market absolutely exploding, there's millions of more computer users now than there were just a year ago. This means there are hundreds of thousands of new online shoppers, all ready to be led to a product via your links. If you've always wanted to earn commissions from other people's purchases, this video will tell you how to do it. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Use the affiliate tools provided by the companies you are working with. Most affiliate programs are constantly adding new content that you can use to promote the products. From ebooks, to tip lists, banners, and email templates to send out to your lists. These are generally proven, tested methods, so take advantage of them. A great affiliate marketing tip is to promote an affiliate product through Twitter. If you have built up a large base of interested visitors who trust you, an occasional tweet promoting an affiliate product can be very beneficial. As long as you're putting out great content, this can be an effective strategy. Earning fat commissions by being the literal, driving force of a product's sales is a very rewarding venture. If you can follow the advice and steps laid out in this video, you can work your way up through the ranks of affiliate marketing and eventually become a big player in the market. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.